Wait, isn't the Nutrivore Meal Map just my plate? Yeah, there's a lot of similarities, but also some important differences. So in this episode of the Nutrivore Day to Day series, let's talk about how the Nutrivore Meal Map can help us eat a more nutrient-dense, balanced diet. And let's start with where the differences are between the Nutrivore Meal Map and my plate. The Nutrivore Meal Map still has us dividing our plate into roughly equal quarters. One quarter we fill with a protein food, one quarter we fill with a starchy food, and the remaining half with a diversity of fruits and vegetables. The additional extra instructions is to drink mostly water and to incorporate healthy fats into your meal, including whole food sources of healthy fats as meal components, like choosing fish as your protein food, or adding a handful of nuts and seeds or some avocado to your salad, and or by using healthy fats like olive oil and vegetable oils to cook and dress your food. Yes, we'll talk about vegetable oils in another video. So there's three big differences with my plate. First is that quarter of the plate that is starchy foods instead of that quarter of the plate that is grains. Starchy foods would also include legumes and a lot of root vegetables. And the reason is nutritionally, all of those whole food sources of slow burning carbohydrates are packaged up with similar nutrients. There's no reason for that to just be grains. Second is the definition of protein foods. So legumes can count either as a protein food or as a starchy food or both. Dairy is either counted as a protein food or as a fat, depending on what type of dairy we're talking about. Yogurt, milk, cheese count as a protein. Sour cream or butter count as a fat. And nuts and seeds don't have very much protein. They count as healthy fats. And the third difference is instead of fruit and vegetables being separate on the plate, we merge that together. And then the Nutrivore Meal Map also includes a gentle reminder to eat the rainbow and eat a wide diversity of foods. So there's little subdivisions in that half of the plate that's fruits and vegetables for each of the 5 color families: red, orange and yellow, green, blue and purple, white and brown. And while those differences between the Nutrivore Meal Map and my plate are pretty minor, the reason for them is that they make it easier to put together a plate and land in balanced macronutrient territory, making it easier to get the full range of essential nutrients our bodies need. My view this morning.